As we deliberate on our firm and united response, let us not overlook the humanitarian crisis stemming from the prevailing armed conflict in eastern DRC. The plight of the millions of internally displaced populations cannot and should not be ignored. SADC appreciates the support rendered by international cooperating partners in response to the critical needs of the displaced populations. However, more must be done to alleviate that situation. The people of the eastern DRC have suffered for far too long. Further, SADC condemns in the strongest terms the attacks by aggressor forces. While we pause to mourn our loss, our resolve to ensure collective security cannot be shaken. The importance of dialogue and peace building for the benefit of the people of the eastern DRC must be boldly pursued.